Welcome back to Cocktails with Jena. Continuing in our equal part drink series, we're going to do a variation on the Negroni. Did you know there are many variations on the Negroni? Well, it's great to be able to play with this equal part drink template, and this is one of my favorite incarnations, the white Negroni. And what's great is that's just equal parts gin, Blanc Vermouth, and Suze. What is Suze? Suze is a bitter gentian liqueur from France. It's bright, vibrant yellow. It's got all sorts of fun herbal notes. Definitely an acquired taste, but hey, if you can get down with Campari, you can get down with Suze. What's great about this drink is we're gonna build it in the glass. So I've got my rocks glass ready to go, and I'm gonna use my jigger, but if you don't have one, you could always use your measuring spoons. And what's great is we only need the 1 ounce side. So I'm gonna start, I've got 1 ounce of gin, one ounce of Blanc Vermouth, and make sure you're keeping your vermouth in the fridge, and 1 ounce of Suze. Isn't that pretty? Now I'm gonna grab my ice cube and my spoon, and we're gonna stir. And I already went ahead and cut my grapefruit twist. I like to use grapefruit instead of orange with my white Negroni, and I manicured the sides. So I took the sides off, gave it a nice little peek, and I'm gonna express my citrus. So grasp the outside, make sure the inner white pith is facing you, and squeeze it gently to express the oils over your cocktail. White Negroni. Cheers.